Start with the name of Allah, who is most gracious, most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the online classes of the Educator School Campus Mehrapur. The subject today we are going to discuss is biology, class 9th. This is the textbook of biology. So let's us discuss about biology. Here is its first section, life and its origin. In this regard, we will discuss our first chapter, the chapter first, introduction to biology. I think so all students are become fame from the word biology, that what is biology. In this regard, I have made this small lectures for the students with that what is biology. There are some important points which the students should be noted in your notebook for the future papers. So let's discuss about the biology. What is biology? The word biology is composed of two Greek words. First, bios means life and logos means discourse, thought, reasoning, or in simply the study. So the bio means life and the logos means study. So the study of life is called biology. The biology is one of the natural science which deals with the study of life. Before going deep in the history of biology, I would like to tell you about that what is the past history of biology. The biology is one of the branch of natural science. So what is science? Here the word science is derived from a Latin word meaning to know. Science is a way of knowing. Science, the word has been derived from the Latin word. Science is the way of knowing knowledge. It was a little bit introduction of biology and science. Now biology is further divided into two main branches. First is botany, second one is zoology. Botany and zoology. As you all are know that our universe has so many organisms, so many plants. So these are studied under various branches. So the scientific study of plants, the scientific study of animals, the scientific study of grouping of organisms, the scientific study of microorganisms are studied under various branches. But biology is mainly consists of two branches. First is botany, second is zoology. The word botany has been derived from Greek word botany. Botany means plants, and the word zoology is also derived from the Greek word zoo, which means animals. The whole plants which are present in this universe, in this world, are studied under the branch of botany, and the whole organisms which are present in this universe are studied under the subdivision of zoology. It was the introduction of biology and its two main branches. Now the importance of biology. What is the importance of biology? The study of biology provides us information what about. In this respect, the first importance of biology. Various kinds of living organisms existing on earth. It means that all types of organisms, whether it is plants, whether it is organisms, everything are studied under the biology. Biology gives us information that which organisms are present in the earth, which becomes extinct, which are in danger. Everything are studied in the biology. The second is the relationship of existing organisms with extinct organisms. The relationship, it means the organisms which are present in this earth and which are become finished, which have no proof that they were present in the earth, are also studied in the biology. The third aspect is that identification and grouping of living organisms on the basis of similarities, dissimilarities and relationship. One is the importance of biology is that in this we can making groups, we can divide organisms into different parts, into different grouping on the basis of their food, on the basis of their walking style, on the basis of their food style, on the basis of their habitat. The grouping of organisms is known their classification. The classification of living organisms are also studied under the biology. Number fourth importance of biology, structure, function of living organisms. It means that the structure means their body structure, their function, and the various functions are studied under the biology, like the respiratory, or like the respiration, digestion, etc. means various functions are also studied in biology. Number fifth importance of biology is inheritance of characters from one generation to next generation. It means heredity. The characters which are transferred from the parents to the offsprings, how they are transferred, how the characters are adapted to the next generation, these are also studied in the biology. It is one of the importance of biology. Number sixth, relationships of organisms to their environment. It means that how organisms are living in their environment, how they interact with the environment, what are the difficulties, what are they face in the environment. All these relationships between organisms and the environment are also studied in the biology. The number seventh, harmful and beneficial effects produced by different living organisms, etc. It means that what are the benefits of organisms and what are the harmful effects of different organisms are present in the environment are also studied in the biology. It means that whole organisms study we can study in in the biology. It was the importance of biology. Now here are the some points which I want to discuss with you, and that will be very beneficial for you in the future. Their father of biology, father of zoology, father of botany, father of means various fathers. Father of biology is called Aristotle. The father of zoology is also called Aristotle. The father of botany called Ferrestus. The father of microbiology is called Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. The father of cell or biology, cytology is called Robert Hooke. Father of evolution called Charles Darwin. Father of genetics is called Mendel. These were the some important points. I think so that you should gain my today's topic. It was all about my today's lecture. If you want to ask some questions from me, you can comment me in the comment box. Stay with me from the for the next lecture. Thanks a lot.